In today's video, I'll show you how to change your Google Play Store country on any Android phone. All you have to do is open the Play Store and tap on the profile icon and tap on payment and subscriptions. Tap on payment methods. Tap on more payment settings. Now you tap on this three line on the left side. Tap on settings. Tap on this country and region and tap on create new profile. Tap on continue option. Click on the drop down over here and choose the country you want to change and select continue. Fill your address informations and after filling your informations, tap on submit option. After selecting submit, your location will be changed. And I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.